Which word means most nearly the opposite of erratic? A. Lukewarm. B. Volatile. C. Fundamental. D. Foreseeable. Or E. Constructive. As erratic means inconsistent or unpredictable, we want to pick the choice that's most opposite in meaning to that. As lukewarm and constructive have nothing to do with erratic, they can be eliminated right off the bat. Volatile, meaning ready to explode, is, if anything, close to erratic's meaning, not the opposite. Fundamental has aspects of it that could be considered the opposite of erratic. Something that's fundamental is steady and hard to alter. However, we need to keep in mind that our question is asking us which word is most opposite erratic. With that in mind, we can see that foreseeable is a better match as erratic's opposite. For literally means before, meaning something that's foreseeable is able to be seen beforehand. In other words, predictable. As we've already established, one of the definitions of erratic is unpredictable. Based on this, we can see that D, foreseeable, is most opposite the meaning of erratic and can be marked as our final answer.